Hi, welcome to another JavaScript question on Leetcode. So this question is specifically designed to help you understand callbacks. In JavaScript, callback is defined as a function passed as an argument to another function. What does that mean? So in JavaScript, as I explained before in my previous video, functions are first-class citizen, and you can pass them as a argument inside a function. So usually in other languages you must have seen function accepting argument as variables and all, but in JavaScript you can pass a functions as well. I'll help you understand this more with a example here on this in this code sandbox. So here we have a function greet, another function call me. On line number 14 we will be calling this function greet, which takes two arguments. One is the variable and another one is the function, right? Now when we call this function, it get invoked on line number 3. So first we will be console logging whatever name we are getting. It's my name, hi Anshul, and when this thing is done, we use the callback, whatever function we are passing to make it work, right? You can see that we are just invoking the callback and passing two more arguments here, and it can be the first as a variable and second is another function. Once this is called, since we are passing call me as a callback, this call me will be called, right? And on line number 10 you are seeing whatever we are console logging here. I am the callback function, and second is the argument which we are getting as the first one, and the third is the function we are passing here. So this is how it works. You can make it as nested as you want. Okay, now I'll take a moment to help you understand one more JavaScript important thing, which is map functions in JavaScript. So arrays in JavaScript has some built-in functions like map, reduce and filter, which I'll cover in my later videos, but for now understand how map function works. So this map function takes a callback and apply it internally to all the array elements you are passing. So this is the array, this is how the syntax works. Whatever array you want to apply it on, just use array.map and then callback function. So this callback function, right, this will be applied on each element of this array. So you can see that we are first argument is in 1, we will be applying it 1 multiplied by 1, which is 2. Similarly 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 9 to 18 and 16 to 32. I want to help you understand that this map function returns an array. So the value inside map 1 will be an array of all the callbacks stored. So this is how map function works. I'll help you more with an example in my later videos, but for now this let's go to the Leetcode function. Here we are given an integer array ARR and a mapping function fn return a new array with a transformation applied to each element. The return array should be created such that returned array I equals to function of array I comma I. We don't have to use array.map. So one interesting thing I would like to highlight, that this is the bare code, or this is the code for how map function works inside JavaScript. So this is like really great opportunity to help you understand. Okay, let's start coding. So let's start by declaring a new array ARR. We can define it as a constant because we are not going to modify this array. We will be using for loop to iterate over the array. So here we have ARR as an argument, so you can consider it as this array 1. Will be passing this array here. Just an example, you don't have to relate them. So we will be starting from the 0th index till the length of this array. After that we will be pushing this function, whatever function we are getting. So this is the same syntax as we are expected to pass in the question. So in the new array we will be doing dot push whatever function we are getting with the array element whatever we are having here for this current iteration. So and then the I which is the index of this array, and in the last we will just return this new array. So this is all you have to do. If you notice, this is something what we wanted to do with our what we did with our map function. So this is like really similar. We passed 1 2 3 and then some transformation applied here, and you will be having the incremented values 2 3 4. This is how map function works, and now you also know how it works behind the scene in JavaScript browsers. I hope you understand the concept behind callbacks. If you like it, please subscribe and see you later. Thank you.